Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit the footer in your Hostinger website builder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you have not already by going to hostinger.com right here, and from here you can go ahead and open up the services tab at the top of the screen. So by opening up services, you can go ahead and access the AI website builder. That's going to open up this new page from where you can get started with signing up for a plan if you do not already have one, or if you have one, just log into your account and you're going to access your H panel right here. From the Sage panel at the left side of the screen, we can access the websites tab and open up the website we want to edit. So here I have my website, click the edit button and it's going to open it up in this editor mode. As you can see in this editor mode, the first thing you're going to see is your home page. So go ahead and select the pages section and open up the page that you want to edit. Let's say this one right here. And now I'm going to scroll down and find the footer option. Here at the bottom of the screen, I can find my footer. So what I want to do is just go ahead and click on the footer option right here. As you can see, it's going to select it. And now this menu is going to appear right here that says to edit the section. This is going to enable us to edit the section of our footer. So as you can see, once you click edit section, you can select the background you want to use, the color, the image, and so on. As you can see, it's going to enable us to edit it right here. You have the layout, and anchor. So once you're satisfied, just click X, exit out, and it's going to apply those changes, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.